Hey, what's up, my millionaire brother? So what's going on? Today video is going very special because the crypto market is gone down. Exactly. But the Dogecoin and those days gone upward very fastly, gone in the moon exactly. But and this time I think the Dogecoin also goes down. You can see here in the last 24 hour minus 7.18% Dogecoin down. My friend, why they going down? What's going next in upcoming days? They are going up or they going down? We are max specialty chart, we are see today are going up. My prediction, what's my prediction and what's my expectation, everything. And this video, keep watch. Let's start the brand video. I request you, my brother, please, if you are new, then most welcome, please subscribe our YouTube channel for keep touch with us, okay? Oh, and also press bell icon for videos notification and like this video. Thank you so much for like and subscribe our YouTube channel. This time, guys, if you could see here, this time the last 24-hour result as on the screen, and you can see here this time minus 7.35% they're going down exactly. But and the free in the past days they go very fastly, my friends, going up very fastly. And also I think they going again start up. Absolutely, exactly. You can see here on the chart result. Let's see to what's going on in the chart. You can see here this time I do a prediction to what's going on in upcoming days. Exactly, my friend, if you can see here, this is circulation of up and falls. You can see here this time they gone up, after that they gone falls, after that they gone up, or that they gone falls, after that they gone up and they falls. So my friend, this is circulation, and again they're going up, and I think this time they're going down. But I think in upcoming days they again starting moving up. So the good time is coming soon, my friends. The good time, please don't waste, just hold. Don't sell, please, just hold and wait for a good time, because Dogecoin is crossed $1 just in a few days. Exactly, they can cross half US dollar just at the end of this month, or and very yesterday, absolutely yesterday they can cross it 0.30 to 0.5 US dollar. So my friends, this time let's see to what's going on in the last 1 hour. I think I hope they're going up. Absolutely, they hold. Oh my goodness, this time they fails down, my brother. But I think after that very bad falls, they again take a very high jump, minus 2.23% Dogecoin going down, my friends. But I hope the price is also increased in upcoming days. Yesterday they give you half US dollar. So wait for a good time, my friends. Please don't sell it. Dogecoin is going very fastly moving up in those days. Please hold it, don't sell it. Don't do the mistake to you sell it. Be safe from more loss. Please don't sell it, okay? And hold it and wait for the end of this month, or wait for a good time to they give you $1 US. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.